Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the chip. Note its size, depth, and whether the glaze is compromised. Once done, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils. Make sure to remove any loose fragments with a pick. You then mask surrounding ceramic to protect the finish and roughen the exposed interior with 600 grit sandpaper so adhesive bonds better. Mix a 2-part epoxy according to directions. You want a homogeneous color and workable pot life, so prepare to apply within the open time. You apply the mixed epoxy directly into the chip, overfilling slightly to allow for sanding later. Use a syringe or toothpick for precise placement. Once filled, wipe excess carefully and let it cure fully per the product's stated time, because premature sanding ruins the bond. After cure, sand in stages starting with 600 grit, then 800, finishing at 1,200 to blend the repair into the surrounding ceramic. Make sure to preserve the original contour so the repaired area sits flush. You finish by applying a thin layer of touch-up paint or glaze pen to match color and sheen. Feather the edges so transitions are invisible. Once applied, cure or bake according to the product's instructions, then polish gently to the desired gloss. If the repair remains visible, make sure to micro-sand with 1,200 grit and reapply another thin glaze coat rather than a thick one. If lifting or cracking occurs, stop, remove the failed material, and repeat the fill prep cycle to ensure proper adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.